Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to install is Wine. You've probably heard of this. It's a Windows compatibility layer for Linux that lets you run some Windows applications. And what you're going to want to do is one of the following. One, you can go on a Windows computer, download Photoshop from there, grab the files from the C drive, throw them onto a USB stick, plug it into your Linux computer, and run Photoshop from there. Or two, and I can't really recommend this for legal reasons, so I'm not going to link it either, is that you're going to want to find a portable version, portable pirated version of it. So that's what I'm going to show you here today. So you're going to want to open this with Windows Program Loader and give this a second to load. The computer isn't exactly the best. Hit OK. Next, I agree. I'm going to click on the 64-bit version, depending on your architecture. You're going to let this install onto the to a folder. I'm going to show the details. I'm going to show it in full, just to clear any confusion you might have. It's going to take a little bit of time. A little bit of time. I'll leave a timestamp somewhere in the description, I guess. Okay, and we're almost done here, I think. About halfway there. Popping my fingers. Just little more time. I wonder how long the runtime is so far. Can't really check, can I? I guess I can't. If you're watching this without seeing the timestamp, I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm sorry. I don't know why you're watching this, dude. Drink some water. Okay, and we're done here. So let's click Finish. Go to the new Photoshop Portable folder. Open this with a Windows Program Loader, and you'll see. Hopefully, it doesn't take too long to load. and we have fully working Photoshop right here. We can actually drop a file in there. I'll show you that there is no errors. You know, you can do whatever you want. Zoom in there. You can undo. You can copy stuff. You can paste stuff. We can copy stuff. We can paste stuff. Oh, okay, yeah, it's a locked layer. You know, we can double click on the layer and drop some shadows. Everything's working perfectly fine. So yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time.